believe it or not, there are still a few boxes on the ThredUP rescue site that I haven't yet ordered to try out, and this is one of them. So if you want to see what I got in this 4-piece sleepwear box from ThredUP, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I have a serious ThredUP addiction. In the last 3 months or so, I became a VIT, or a very important thrifter, and unlocked free shipping on any order over $29. Sadly, this didn't qualify. I think it's like $24 and then $5.99 shipping, so I paid $29.99. So I've never ordered this box. I've seen other YouTubers unbox it, specifically that I can think of off the top of my head, Alicia from Married Life. It's only 4 items, so I don't know how they'll be. But you know, with inflation and prices rising on everything, I think it's important to be on the lookout for essentials, things that people need. Undergarments are one of those things. So I decided to try this out and see what we get in here. So I've opened it. I haven't looked in here. This is what it looks like inside. It has their newer sticker. It says, hey, nice pics. Oh, where is it from? It's from Georgia. I don't often get boxes from Georgia. Usually they're from Pennsylvania, but every once in a while I'll get one. All right, we got some air bubbles in here. Love getting these. I reuse them for my packages. And here's what the inside looks like. It's a really big box for only 4 items, so I don't know why they didn't use one of the smaller ones, but whatever. Okay, first things first, I see something from Loft. So Ann Taylor Loft. This is Loft Sleep. I have never seen this before. It looks like the regular Loft tag, just with sleep underneath. This is a size small. It is super soft, and it is a striped long sleeve V-neck top. Really cute. Like I said, really soft. Let's see if there's an interior tag. It's from 11/20, so November 2020, not too old. Rayon, polyester, and spandex. Got a lot of black in here, aside from that gray and white. This one looks like a little nightgown. This is Victoria's Secret, size medium. It is the pink tag, not the vintage gold tag, which is desirable. And this is, like I said, a little teddy or nightgown. Of course, it's very sheer, and it has these embroidered flowers on them with some embellishments. They do have sequins, so they are like 3D and textured. I'm really excited about this. I have sold quite a few nightgowns in my time. I don't often look through there, but every once in a while I will. This looks like a new tag bra from Victoria's Secret. It is a 32 double D, originally $64 US, $86 Canadian, or $38 UK. It says Blue Bella, redefining sensuality. I don't really know what Blue Bella is, but here are some examples of the products that they sell. This is a very sexy, very see-through lace bra. Your girls would look super nice in here. I don't have any, so mine won't. Also, I would never be a 32 double D in my wildest dreams. But yeah, it's really nice. Here's a close-up of the lace detail. And happy that it's new with tags. And last but not least is a corset. Do you guys say corset or corset? I say corset, but I've heard it both ways. This is from Leg Avenue. It is also new with tags. And it does say plus size on here, which is awesome. This is a size 1X/2X, and it is a black corset, Sasha corset with front closure and pleated ruffle trim. So I think the woman in this photo is kind of doing it as like a costume, which you totally can do. But I have also heard that it is trendy these days to wear corsets just as normal clothing. No judgment. We don't judge or kink shame here. So you do you. Let me try and get this together so it's a little easier for me to show you, but I am struggling. I have only worn one of these one time. It was for Halloween, and I was Mary Sanderson from Hocus Pocus. I'm still struggling. Is there a trick to this that I'm just not getting? All right, that's good enough. All right, so black corset, has a little sweetheart neckline where it dips right there in the middle, silver hooks in the front, and then of course it has the adjustable tie-up in the back so that you can make it feel like you can't breathe. Not my thing, but hey, like I said earlier, you do you. So those are the 4 pieces. We have the corset, that's new with tags, the bra that is new with tags, we have this little nightie, and then we have the long sleeve sleep shirt. So definitely not bad. I'm really happy with this for essentially $30, $29.99 divided by 4 items. I don't quite know what that is because I'm bad at math. It's more than $6 because I think 6 times 4 is 24. Check my math. Editing K. So yeah, I think all of these will sell. I don't see any reason why I would have to donate any of these 4 items. So maybe I will try and buy another one of these when they become available. They've been a little bit harder to come by. I don't know if it's because, like I said earlier, people are looking for essentials, or if it's just resellers out there snagging up all the boxes as soon as they become available. But yeah, that's everything that I have to share from this box. Really quick video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box and what your favorite item was. If I had to pick a favorite, I would probably say the nightie because I just really like those. But yeah, that's everything for today. So if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed and like reseller content such as what solds, thrift hauls, and ThredUP unboxings, because I do a lot of them on this channel and there'll be plenty more to come in the future, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.